Hi, my name is Melissa Iwai, and I am the author and illustrator of this book called Soup Day, which I wrote many years ago when my son, Jamie, was a little boy. And now he's a teenager. This is him too. So as you can see, it was a long time ago, but the reason why I wanted to write this book is because when Jamie was little, he never wanted to eat his vegetables, so I developed this soup recipe that he really loved, and I decided to write a story about it because we also have so much fun cooking. I hope you like it. Soup Day by Melissa Iwai, that's me. By the way, my name is pronounced like the letter E and the letter Y. And I dedicated this book for Jamie and Dennis, my favorite soup eaters. Today is Soup Day. I help Mommy pick out the vegetables. She says it's important to choose the freshest ones with the brightest colors. This is what we put in our basket. 1 bunch of crispy green celery, 2 shiny yellow onions, 3 long orange carrots, 4 smooth tan potatoes, 5 tiny dark green zucchini, 6 big white mushrooms. Oops, we almost forgot the parsley. Back at home, we wash the vegetables. Then Mommy chops everything into different shapes. The celery and onions become tiny squares, the carrots become circles, potatoes become cubes, and the parsley becomes confetti. I get to cut the mushrooms and zucchini with a plastic knife because they are soft. Mommy helps my hand. We pour oil into the big soup pot, and Mommy cooks the onions, celery, and carrots together. This makes them soft. They sizzle in the oil. Then we fill the big pot with broth. It makes a loud sound. I help put in the rest of the vegetables. Mommy covers the pot, and we wait. For a while, we make a city. We read to each other. Then we have to escape from a big monster. Before long, our home smells like yummy soup. Mommy checks the pot. We hear the soup bubbling inside. She tastes it. It needs a little something, she says. Mommy adds some spices. Now I get to choose which kind of pasta to add to the soup. I pick alphabet because I like to eat the letters. Sometimes they make words. While we wait for the noodles to cook, we clean up our city. We return the books to the bookshelf. We put the monster to sleep. And then Daddy's home. Now it's time to eat our soup. Mommy lets me sprinkle the confetti parsley on top. It looks like green snow. I love Soup Day. And if you see in her spoon, her alphabet pasta spells yum. At the end of the book, I have the recipe for snowy day vegetable soup. And I'll show you quickly how it's made. It's really easy. All you have to do is gather your ingredients, make sure you wash them. For this demo, I am not using mushrooms or parsley because I didn't have them and I didn't want to go shopping just for mushrooms and parsley. like the story, and if you're feeling ambitious, maybe you want to try making the soup. It's really easy to make, as you can see, and it tastes so good. I have my bowl here, and it's perfect on a rainy, dreary day like today. Yummy. Check out the links below. I have links to my website where there are free materials related to Soup Day as well as Pizza Day and other books that I've illustrated. So if you're looking for something to do, check it out. There's crafts and games as well as recipes that kids can do with their caregivers. So I hope you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching.